Buy Western Digital 500GB solid-state drive at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Ready for your high-performance computing needs, a Western Digital 500GB solid-state drive offers high capacity, enhanced reliability, and blazing speed. This solid-state drive uses 3D NAND technology not only for higher capacities up to 2 TB than the previous generation Western Digital Blue solid-state drive, but also to help reduce cell-to-cell interference for enhanced reliability. Offering improved endurance, this Western Digital solid-state drive features an active power draw up to 25% lower than previous generations of Blue solid-state drive. And with less power used, you're able to work longer before recharging your laptop. It adapts 3.5-inch internal drive bay for use with up to 2.5-inch hard disk drive or solid-state drive. So it can fit any PC tower case. It maximizes the internal space of your PC case for efficient usage. It is easy to install and operate and doesn't require any professional skill for fitting. The package includes solid-state drive with 2 sets of solid-state drive mounting screws and 1 set of adapter mounting screws for installation of this drive on your PC.